Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Bus. I've got this Porsche 996 here. I showed a video last week, I think on last Friday. I went to move this car into the from outside of the workshop, inside just moving it from outside into inside the workshop on Friday. I think I've got a video, but and then this one, and the gear stick just became like that, and I can't figure out why. So I put up in the air yesterday afternoon. I checked the cable from behind, so underneath the car. Not behind, underneath the actual gearbox. They are connected. They're not broken at the back. I can move them back and forth, which is good. And then this morning I have removed this center console here, this whole center console out from here. So the reason why I removed it, so I can actually check the cable. You got two cable on manual. One is connected to this side here, the left, and one's connected directly to the gear lever, gear stick underneath. So the gear stick's here. If you look closely, see the little ball joint there. See that? The little ball joint there. This one here. See that? Moving back and forth. That's one cable is connected to that side there, and the other cable is connected to that side there. See the spring there on the cable? That's the cable. See that cable there? See how the bottom part is not connected? So that cable there has popped off the ball joint there on the gear stick. Alright? I've seen this maybe like a few times on the 996 and 997. I'm not saying it's common, but they do pop off sometimes. Usually when they pop off, it's actually because of the wear on the cable itself. The plastic, they are plastic, that's why they pop off. It's not really I mean, they're all plastic. If you can see it closely there, that's the actual cable there. See the cable? There's your cable there. Right there. It's not even connected. See how that ball joints, the gear sticks is moving back and forth? Not connected to the cable. So because the cable is not connected, it popped off and you can't see it properly. Alright, now I'm going to put it back in. Take this part off, completely off, and then you can actually put your hand underneath and pop it back in. And hopefully it will stay there. Otherwise we have to get a new cable. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.